Here we have a 2007 Chevy Impala. Problem is, when driving, it shakes like a washing machine that's half loaded, that's spinning. While you're going what? About 60, 70 miles an hour. So, and when you press the brake, it magnifies the problem. Go ahead and, here, let me have that. I'm gonna put this up here. Spin that tire. Can you see that? Oh. Can't see if we can see that jumping up like that. Go ahead, spin it. I can't see it.
Maybe let me hold the light.
Put it right here.
No.
You can see back.
Let me hold the light. That help?
Go ahead. Yeah, but don't. Let's turn it slow. See it jumping.
It's got a broken ball in it.
A little closer. Go ahead.
It's hopping. Oh, the bus of
I
ball.
do it. Go ahead. I know that can be seen hopping like that. Okay, so
The transmission
let me
could
go over here.
jump.
This here is smooth. This is smooth. It's real smooth. Go ahead, back over here.
This way? Or
Okay, you
this
can even see this.
way? How about right there?
Go ahead.
Well, it's not jumping by the wheel. It's jumping over there.
Okay, go ahead. See if I can get this.
You're getting that now.
All right, I guess now listen, I want to do something else here.
I don't think.
Really is getting under here. You want to start this up and
What is this? Oh, this is broken, isn't it? Sure. I'm not sure if that's broke. This bumping. That's what I see more of. Go ahead. This is what you're seeing.
go ahead, Billy.
Go ahead.
Oh, you gotta hold this tire here.
Oh, there we go.
Seeing all this jumping.
The axle causing it. I could stop this side if you want.
Let me have it.
All right.
Okay.
Oh, jeez.
Now it's really doing it.
Oh,
Keep going, Billy.
go ahead. Oh, I can't hold it anymore.
Oh. Stop,
No,
Billy.
It's just got too hard to hold.
Hold it. Hold it. Stop. Now hold it.
Okay,
Go. Like that. Okay, go up here. Look at this axle. Alright, this is what's happening. So it's really jumping up and down. Just like that. The whole thing is jumping. So we're going, those balls and those axles are bad. We're going to change this axle and then we see what happens. Okay, Billy.
Hey, that might have caused.
Alright, we got the new axle in. Here, hey, hold on, Billy. Let him hold that tire. Alright, Tony is holding it over there. Go ahead, Billy. Alright, it ain't bouncing no more. The tire is spinning. And this is the new axle that we got inside. And everything is stay running. Alright, so that's the new axle on there. Okay, that's it.